This is now after a few moments I will show you questions and I will give you some solutions also. And on the basis of that, you have to solve the rest of the questions. And later, I will ask you your progress in previous exercises also. So I will go very quickly. So now I am sharing my screen. So first I will show you questions. New questions. Okay, I was disturbed by telephone call. Now I will mute telephone, mobile. It will not disturb. So, see, these are the questions. This is another, see how many questions are there. This is also there. A lot of questions are there. 3 pages. So now we'll start solution. What is first? Just a So first of all, what is conditional identities? You know, in previous exercises, you have been proving LHS equal to RHS or RHS equal to LHS. And there were angles A, B, C, alpha, beta, anything. But there was not any precondition. Means those identities were unconditional identities. No, without any condition. Means there was no boundary over the value of angle A, angle B, angle C. So those were also trigonometric identities, but without any condition. Now in this exercise, there are trigonometric identities with condition, precondition. So that's why these are called conditional identities. Means here there is a boundary over what should be value of A, B and C. So like this one, see this example, there is one limit that if A plus B plus C equal to pi, A plus B plus C equal to pi, then prove that sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C equal to 4 sine A sine B sine C. You know, here also you have to prove LHS equal to RHS or sometimes RHS equal to LHS. But if you will remove this condition, you cannot prove. If you will remove this condition, you will not be able to prove. It means LHS is equal to RHS or RHS equal to LHS only when this condition is there. So generally this condition is in most of the questions. A plus B plus C equal to pi. Pi means 180 degree. But so in exceptional cases, conditions may vary. A plus B plus C equal to 2 pi or A plus B plus C equal to pi upon 2, 90 degree. Sometimes 2A plus 2B plus 2C equal to pi. Variety of conditions can be there. But this is most common condition that sum of A, B and C is equal to 180 degree. In other words, A plus B plus C equal to pi. This is the condition, and just based on this condition, you have to prove LHS equal to RHS or RHS equal to LHS. So let us start here. So this type of question should be started like this with this given condition. You know, A plus B plus C equal to pi. It means A plus B will be equal to pi minus C. Just put C to other side. This is my choice. You can shift A also. B plus C equal to pi minus A. That can also be done. But at least you have to do only one. So I have written like this: a plus b equal to pi minus c. Now on this equality, a plus b equal to pi minus c means, what does it mean? The sum of angle A and angle B is equal to 180 minus angle C. So based on this, you have to take sine and cosine on both sides of this, sine as well as cosine. So first let us apply sine. Sine A plus B must be equal to sine pi minus C. But you know, sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine pi minus c is sine c. Means sine c can be replaced by sine A plus B, or sine A plus B can be replaced by sine c wherever needed. This is possible due to this condition. If this condition is not there, you cannot replace. And taking cosine, cos A plus B equal to cos pi minus c, and cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this is minus cos c. Cos A plus B equal to minus cos c. So here cos A plus B can be replaced by minus cos c, and cos c can be replaced by this, see this minus cos A plus B. Repeat this. I am repeating. Cos A plus B can be replaced by minus cos c. Cos c can be replaced by minus cos A plus B. This is possible due to this condition. Now we will enter into LHS. The LHS is equal to sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. See here in the question. Sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. Now there are three items here. 1, 2, 3. Three terms. So you have to group 2 and leave third. So any 2 can be grouped. But since A and B are in the beginning, so I have taken sine 2a plus sine 2b and apply formula sine c plus sine d. If it is cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c in another question, then we will apply that formula, cos c plus cos d, accordingly. What is written here in the question, accordingly we will move forward. Sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. So group first 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. A plus third term is written separately. Now simplify this 2 sine. Here 2 will be cancelled. Sine a plus b into cos. Here also 2 cancelled. Cos a minus b plus sine 2. Now here is the situation. Sine a plus b. And here we have written sine a plus b can be substituted by sine c. So in next line we will write sine c for sine a plus b due to this earlier homework. 2 sine c into cos a minus b plus, now there is sine c, so move forward. Sine 2c, you write 2 sine c cos c. You know sine 2a equal to 2 sine a into cos a. So sine 2c equal to 2 sine c cos c. Is it? Now next step, see 2 sine c and 2 sine c is common from either side of this plus sign. 2 sine c is common, so from here cos a minus b, from here plus cos c. Now here also there is cos c. So earlier we have written minus cos c equal to cos a plus b. So cos c will be minus cos a plus b. I had discussed it earlier. So cos c is equal to minus cos a plus b. Now you know one more, this formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. This is equal to 2 sin a sin b. Is it? So cos a minus b minus cos a plus b can be replaced by 2 sin a sin b, and this 2 sin c is carrying forward. Now 2 to the 4 and write these products in the order of A, B, C. So sin A into sin B into sin C. 4 sin A sin B sin C. This is equal to RHS. So have you understood this?
So,
Yes, sir.
See, this is first solution, so spend time for this. For others, it will take less time. So hey, don't make noise from your side. This type of questions are called conditional identities because there is precondition for proving LHS equal to RHS or RHS equal to LHS. So that's why it is called conditional identity. If this type of condition is there and this type of solution LHS and RHS is there, you have to do this homework in advance. So, at this stage we have replaced sin A plus B by sin C, and at this stage we have replaced cos C by minus cos A plus B. So you have to be alert that at which point we have to substitute. So that it will be easy to prove LHS equal to RHS. So this way we can prove. It is very simple solution and it should not be difficult to understand. So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Girls?
Yes, sir.
So if you have confusion, then later you go to virtual class. Now another question. If A plus B plus C equal to pi, prove that. In previous question it was cos sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Here it is cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C equal to minus 4 times cos A cos B cos C minus 1. So again we will do same homework. A plus B plus C equal to pi, so A plus B pi minus C. So sin A plus B will be sin C, cos A plus B will be minus cos C. So see what way it goes. LHS cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Again group first 2. Cos C plus cos D formula should be applied. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus cos 2C. So here 2 cancel, so it is 2 cos A plus B into cos A minus B plus cos 2C. Now cos A plus B can be replaced by minus cos C. So minus 2 cos C, this minus for that replacement, minus 2 cos C into cos A minus B plus, here you have got cos C, so you have to change cos 2C in such a way that there will be a cos C. So plus cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1, so here it is C, so 2 cos square C minus 1. Now this minus 1 should be kept aside because it is required in RHS. You see this mouse movement. So now from this first term and second term, 2 minus 2 cos C take common. Minus 2 cos C cos A minus B. There is plus sign, so it will turn into minus because minus is taken common. Minus cos C, this minus 1 kept aside. Now minus 2 cos C cos A minus B, and now minus cos C, including minus cos C can be replaced by plus cos A plus B. Here it is positive. So minus cos C is plus cos A plus B. Is it? Minus this one. Now see, focus on this bracket, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Is it? Both are positive. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. It is 2 cos A cos B. Earlier formula. So this bracket is replaced by 2 cos A cos B. Minus 2 cos C is carried forward. Minus 1 is carried forward. Now 2 2s are 4. So minus 4. Rearrange this in order of A, B, C. So cos A, cos B, cos C minus 1. This is RHS. Is it? Now third. The mouse is not working. See, next question. Again, condition is same. A plus B plus C equal to pi. Prove that sin A plus C. Previous questions, there was 2A, 2B, 2C. Now it is A, B, C. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C equal to 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. So here, you know, just you there is A, B, C. If you will group, it will be A plus B by 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Half angles will be there. So what we will do, we will modify this condition. A plus B plus C equal to pi. That means if you will divide both side by 2, A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to pi by 2. You know pi by 2 is 90 degree. A by 2 plus B by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus C by 2. As before. Only difference is here angles are divided by 2. Now here also take sine and cosine of both sides. Sin A by 2 plus B by 2 equal to sin pi by 2 minus C by 2 equal to cos C by 2. Why? Because sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Cos A plus B by 2 equal to cos pi by 2 minus C by 2. Cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta, means sin C by 2. Now with this homework we'll move forward. LHS sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Now use sin C plus sin D formula. 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 sin C kept aside. Now sin A, see, A by 2 plus B by 2 means A plus B whole divided by 2. This can be replaced by cos C by 2. So here we have replaced cos C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 plus, now break down sin C using some multiple angle formula. 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Now see left and right. 2 cos C by 2, 2 cos C by 2 is common. So 2 cos C by 2 here cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2. Now here C replacement, sin C by 2 can be replaced by cos A plus B whole divided by 2. So cos A plus B whole divided by 2 is replaced for this sin C by 2. Now 2 cos C by 2 outside. Here it can be understood like this also, cos A by 2 plus B by 2 plus cos A by 2 minus B by 2. Now see the formula, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. It is 2 cos A cos B. If 2 is divided in every angle, in result also it will be divided. It is 2 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2. So simple. Same formula in new context. In formula there is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B. Everywhere if there is 2 divided in each angle, then both sides will be divided by 2. So cos A by 2 plus B by 2 plus cos A by 2 minus B by 2 is equal to 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. Now there is no need of this bracket because it is throughout multiplication. 2 2s are 4. Rearrange cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 equal to RHS. Now I'll ask your reactions later. Now new question. It is in tangent. If A plus B plus C equal to pi, prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A tan B tan C. If I am right, this question was in 9th class also somewhere. So just repetition, but it is conditional identity. That's why it is included here also. So you know, if a plus b plus c equal to pi, then a plus b is pi minus c. Here take tangent. You do here no need of taking LHS or RHS. Direct this condition will give us taking tangent on either side. Tan a plus b is tan pi minus c. So apply formula here. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b equal to this tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So you have to remember these formulas of 9th class. Who is this Prachanda? Now cross multiply. Tan a plus tan b equal to this minus tan c into 1 minus tan a tan b. Now multiply both sides. Remove this bracket. Minus tan c into 1 is minus tan c. Minus tan c into minus tan a tan b minus minus plus tan a tan b tan c. So now last line minus tan c, keep this at left side. Tan a plus tan b plus tan c equal to tan a tan b tan c. That was to be proved. So for today I am doing this much. From tomorrow I'll explain some more questions. Now see the questions page again. So this is just this question number 1 is warm up question. Here what is condition? A plus b is A, B and C are angles of a triangle. You know, if A, B, C are angles of a triangle, it means A plus B plus C equal to pi. Same condition said in another language. A plus B plus C equal to pi, then prove this. So you have already seen that sin A plus B is sin C. It can be replaced. Sin C minus sin C will be 0. Cos B plus C will be minus cos A. Minus cos A plus cos A will be 0. Tan B, so this is just warm up question, and or after doing some questions from this 2 number 3 number, you will get idea how to tackle this. So this question, it is here which I have explained. Here minus tan A tan B tan C is in left side, so it is same as which I had explained. So you can do this also, but here you have to take cotangent, not tangent. Cot A plus B equal to cot pi minus C. Expand and cross multiply, you will get this result. Here there is A by 2. So what you have to do? Condition, you have to modify the condition. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to pi by 2, or in the same way, means A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus C by 2. Then take tangent, then you will get this. Take cotangent, you will get this. Here there is 2a, 2b, 2c. So here only you multiply. 2a plus 2b plus 2c equal to 2 pi. So 2a plus 2b equal to 2 pi minus 2c. Then take tangent, you will get this. Here are the questions which like here, see, it is same question as I had explained, but here there is minus sign. So you have to take into account this. Proceed in the same manner, but when there is minus sign to C, it will be minus 2 sin C cos C. And if you will take common, minus cos C will be left. Minus cos C can be replaced by cos A plus B. So that way you have to modify according to question. This is the question, third example which I had explained that type. This is also of similar type, but this with a square etc. I will explain tomorrow. With a square I will explain tomorrow. Now third page, these are slightly difficult questions, so in coming days we'll get back to this also. Now we have only 1 minute. So for 1 minute, I will take your reaction. So you all are unmuted now.
Yes, sir.
So have you understood today's explanations of the solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you have difficulty, then I will post you as usual. I will post after some time in virtual class. So today evening, you can see repeatedly. Okay. So there is question page also. So you just download question page on your mobile or laptop, and later you keep solving them. Tomorrow I will get back to the same exercise. Now you brief, you say what is the progress of previous exercise?